How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're looking at another smartwatch. Another super cheapo smartwatch from the other side of the universe. Just break that right open. Yeah! So, doesn't look too bad. The B2. Oh, it's actually got a heartbeat monitor. Awesome. I really like the band too. Looks like I'm gonna have to charge this sucker a bit before we get her going. It did have some juice in it when I got it. I had to wait. Oh, magnetic. Very nice. All right, let's get some juice and see what cuts loose, right? I love it when they give you a little icon saying how far along you are. Oh, it vibrates too, apparently. Very nice. I'm interested to see what that sensor is going to be. Maybe light sensor. Got nothing on the sides, just a heartbeat sensor. I don't like the looks of having nothing on the side, meaning I'm going to have to control it with a series of touches. And last time I got a watch in like that, it just didn't work. So we'll have to wait and see. Now, the setup process for these things is generally a little bit frustrating, and you have to give every damn access you can imagine to this thing. So you have to cycle through the options long hold to do a search, and then it'll come up in a list. I got it in a list. I clicked it, and then it asked me to connect it to like 100 billion different, what should I call it, different access. It wanted my location, it wanted to be able to draw over top of anything, it wanted to be able to send me notifications. It's like, yeah, can we just throw that all in an all-in-one, just press OK? So now I'm at this point. Once again, with these smartwatches, this is always a point of contention for me, just getting the damn thing hooked up. Oh man, this is funny. I reboot it. Now it wants access to my photos and media. Allow. Alright, what else? It wants to take pictures. Okay. Allow where fit to make you want to make phone calls. Okay, well, I guess maybe access to your really? Oh wait, is it working now? It's connected. I had to reboot it to connect it. What the heck? Alright, yeah, this thing definitely is connected. So you tap it to make it go. I don't know if that's a light sensor. No, that's got to be. Yep. So all of these smart apps, you have to get the time from here. So you got to hook them up, and then they'll tell you the time. So the companion app actually gives you a lot of information. If you want to get your heart rate, you either have to go into the app and tell it to read it flat out, or tap the unit until you can get onto the heart rate, and then it'll get it for you. But if you want to do it for good, oh, I know. Now, as soon as you put it on, it gives me like a crazy high heart rate. Blood pressure. Here we go. Heart rate. As soon as I put it on, it tells me it's like at 100 and something, or 90 something, so don't get too alarmed by that. I tested this against the Fitbit, and once it gets going, it's actually just about as accurate as the Fitbit. But keeping it going reliably, it doesn't always happen. Once again, you can get text to the unit, which is very nice, and is about all that I need in a unit. But this thing keeps vibrating. I'm not exactly sure why. You get lots of specs on here. You can tell you how healthy you are. They can tell you how happy you are. I wonder if I pay a little extra money if they can make me even happier. Not fatigued. I'm glad this thing knows how I feel right now. But seriously, this thing needs way too many writes. It wants writes to SMSs. It wants writes to all kinds of things. Why? I don't get it. I don't get it. I know they want your information, but maybe that's the trade-off. But I have a feeling the people who sell the watches are not related to the people who use the app, or create the app, I should say. Anyways, it's a good thing. Time for a teardown. My goodness, this thing is rated IP67 waterproof. I'm going to have to test that. Plunk. See if it still works. Nope. Yep, she works. Alright, let's dry her off and do a tear. This is not going to be one of those particularly easy units to get into. These sports bands that are waterproof, they're anything like the Fitbits I've taken apart. There's basically no way of getting the screen off without destroying the unit. So not gonna try or worry too much. Okay, that seal is really good. I'm super impressed for 10 bucks that they managed to make something like this. Huh, that sensor. Oh, the sensor is actually right there. I wonder if it still works. Nope, I must have, yeah, I must have messed that one up. With that, let's see if we can pop that out. Usually I always get at these from the other side, honestly. That was not a beautiful way to do that. Got that screw. It looks like there's a battery in the back. I ought to poke at that thing as hard as I can. Maybe if I'm lucky, I can make it explode. Oh, interesting. We do have a vibrating unit on this. You don't see that in all of them. You get a terminal for the green light unit. Itty bitty battery. Oh, look how small and cute that is. 180 milliamp hours. Probably a generic chip. I don't recognize that at all. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's it from me. Now from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciated. And have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.